Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix flashlight not working on iPhone. Okay, first things first, make sure that you have enabled the flashlight in the first place. First thing to do is to try restarting your phone by holding down the buttons to power it off. Restarting may resolve any temporary glitches affecting the flashlight. If that still doesn't work, check your flashlight settings by swiping down from your lock screen or access the control center. And hold down on the flashlight toggle and check if the flashlight indicator is on its highest level. Last tip is maybe your iPhone is outdated, so you might want to update it by tapping on Settings, then General, and then Software Update. Then, if you see that your iPhone needs an update, kindly do so. However, after doing the tips mentioned and your flashlight is not turning on at all, inspect the hardware of your iPhone's flashlight. There might be a hardware issue causing the problem and you might want it to get it checked. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below on the tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix flashlight not working on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.